Guys, the wig I'll be installing today is from Junoda. Came in this cute box. Hey boo! Hey gorgeous! Welcome back. Hope you guys are doing great. If you want to see how I install this wig, keep on watching. And just before you go, don't hesitate to subscribe. And I'm going to leave the details of this wig on the description box. With all that being said, let's head to this hair installation. Let me bring it out and see. Okay. There are some goodies inside. I'm going to bring them out in a minute. Can we stay here for... Let me bring the hair out before I show you guys the goodies that came with it. Wow! Ooh, kept in this plastic bag. See? So the wig is the length is 22 inches. It's body wave. The density is 180. The lace is 4x4 lace wig. Let me bring this wig out. Wow, it's 4x4. You guys know I love 4x4 lace wig. Take a look at this. You see this? Wow. See? Ooh. This is so beautiful. You see the two mixed colors in front? You can see blonde hair in front. And this orange color is ginger orange. Ginger orange and blonde in the front. This is so cool. And see, it's 4x4. You can see it here. 4x4. I like the blonde in front. Oh, this is lovely. This is lovely. Inside there is detachable adjustable strap and inbuilt adjustable strap here. And it came also with some combs in here. This is the inside. See? Let me stand up so that you guys can see it well. Yeah. So this is it. See this? Wow, this is lovely. It's lovely. Wow. It's 4x4. I really love the color in front. This blonde in front with the orange is so beautiful. And this is the construction of the inside. So guys, I'm going to leave the link of this unit on the description box, so if you're interested, head to the description box and check that out. I'll check also if there's any discount codes. I am going to leave it as well. Okay, so let me check the goodies, bring out the goodies that came with the wig. Let's open this. It came with a wig cap here. There's a card inside that is written Junoda. See their card here, and Junoda Wig story at the back, the story of their website. See at the back here, and also there is a comb edge brush here. A pair of lashes. Ooh, a lot. And there is a scarf also that came with it. It's written Junoda. See this? This is so gorgeous, so kind of them. All these goodies, when you order all these goodies, are going to come with your wig. I'm really impressed when I see any wig that comes with stuff like this. I'm really impressed. Okay, so now about the wig. Gorgeous, welcome. If it's your first time here, thank you so much. I appreciate. Okay, so this is it. We don't need to do much. Okay, and the adjustable, detachable adjustable strap, you can adjust it the way you like as well. You see, so if you have big head, there is no problem. So see, I'm going to put it on the third one because my head is small. Excuse me. Okay, so let's try this on.
Get it, target on me, so my car's a tinted. Dancing with the devil, I don't bargain with it. Bobbing in a dash, and the stick is with it.
So guys, this is it. You see they plot the front, you can see it. I like this body wave.
Oh no, anxiety creeps up on me.
Let me see. It doesn't have any bad smell. Let me see whether there's shedding. Yeah, there is little shedding. Okay. Let me try to cut the excess lace from it.
Just like you're on your own, but baby, it's another lie. Remember you were made. I try to work, but it doesn't work. I try to say something.
I'll use a wax stick.
Less reactions, heartbeat raising. Oh, it doesn't work.
Cut the excess lace from it before gluing it down.
But it doesn't work. I try to say something, but there's no word. I try to justify my actions. Less reactions, heartbeat raising. Oh, it doesn't work. I try to work.
Spray.
Oh, I never knew love would come and find me one day. Oh, I never knew that you would be the one headed my way. Yeah.
I'll bring it down. This done. And I remove this.
And why to LA with it? And why to LA with it? I like getting money, I got time to get it. Target on me, so my car's a tinted. Dancing with the devil, I don't bargain with it. Bobbing in a dash, and the stick is with it. And I hit the 4-5 on the west side, but I'm from the east side. This how we slide, this how we ride, yeah, this how we ride. Going pro, no lead. Make it easy like 1, 2, 3. Go, on 3, 2, 1. I fly till you can't see me. Swish, yeah. Ballin', from the first whistle we go all in. And one, call it. Numbers up and never falling. Feel like I hit the lottery and proud of me, yeah. Know a babe proud of me, so I throw pride away. She know I stuck to the plan and I stayed out the way. Now we're spending no money, never touching the bank. Just from me the game and I'ma get it done. Don't do it for fame, do it for the ones. Ace with cigar, my damage, my lungs. Wife, you want to drive, she get what I like getting money, I got time.
So you can straighten the hair if you want to straighten it, and if you want coil it as well, you can do that.
No lead. Make it easy like 1, 2, 3. Go, on 3, 2, 1. I fly till you can't see me. Swish, yeah. Ballin'. From the first whistle, we go all in. And one. Numbers up and never falling. My baby called me and said she need to stay. Be for real, 25 the other type of kid. Stop playing with me, you know that you here to stay. Stop playing with me, I'll be back home in 8. Know I'm on the go, but I'm not over you. Made you fall from home, but I'm so close to you. Gotta get that back like I'm supposed to do. Had to rush that re-up cause I'm overdue. I like getting money, I got time to get it. Target on me, so my car's a tenant. Dancing with the devil, I don't bargain with it. Bobbing in the dash and the stick is with it. And I hit the 4-5 on the west side. But I'm from the east side, this how we slide. This how we ride, yeah, this how we ride.
I'm going to open this space, the pattern.
You say take me on a treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance? Oh, I wish it was me every night. When I close my eyes, I see
guys, that is the finished look. I'm going to leave the link to this unit on the description box, so if you're interested, head to the description box and check that out. All the details about this wig will be on the description box. So guys, I straighten the hair. Me, I like straight hair. I tell you guys that you can straighten it and you can coil it as well.
It lives in me, and now I don't yet know it.
Gorgeous, please, before you go, if you haven't subscribed, don't hesitate to subscribe and click on that bell icon if you do so. Alright, and I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, remain gorgeous. Thank you so much, gorgeous, for watching today's video. I love you guys. Bye.